What's up, guys? This is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And this is our 100K challenge. And today we're only up 3%. Not bad. I mean, I was hoping for maybe 5, 6 plus, but we'll get into why it didn't go up as high as it should have gone. So, in terms of Bitcoin price, we opened around right here. Let's see. So we opened around, come on, there we go, around 39. Yeah, we opened around 39K, and we saw a high overnight of about 40 point, yeah, almost 41K, and seeing a decline now. And this is a 5-minute chart, so let's see. So today the low was about 37.9. So obviously we're seeing what, about $1,500 drop from 39.4 till the end of the day. And you would think Bitcoin miners would go down, but no, actually. Look at this. Mara, it's up like 11%. Riot is up 10%. Hive is up 6%. Voyager is up. Let's see, where'd it go? Banks is up. Okay. Banks is up 7. Let me just breeze through this real quick so we can update it. Okay, there we go. So, DigiHost, kind of disappointing, but it did run up like crazy. So a little step back doesn't really hurt us that much. So it did follow Bitcoin, so at least that's okay. But I think it was like isolated case for DigiHost because all the other miners were doing really well. So when Bitcoin was going down, so I'll take that. I mean, it's not like Bitcoin went up high and then DigiHost didn't follow, so that's fine. Let's see. So Bitcoin looking good. We broke that. We're forming new resistance, so now looks like our support is around 38K. So let's see what happens. In terms of the miners, we're doing pretty good. Today the shocker, not really shocker, but it was crazy. But Census really shot up today, and there isn't any news, but they did have the Oppenheimer Summit, MedTech Summit today, and so did Bingo as well. So it seemed like the summit came out really good for them. It was started at 8 a.m., so yeah. And let's see, Bingo as well at the Oppenheimer Summit, yeah. So we saw some good news here. With Bingo, we have right here, pulled out this from StockTwit. This guy, I didn't see any news about a deal, but it seems like on the chat board, it's just flying over, like the deal with China. So what the deal is, it's Optical Atlas Instrument Project of CSAME, Sesame Research Center of Henan Academy of Agriculture Science. You call negotiation procurement. So we have, this is Zhengzhou City, Henan Province. It's a deal for I think it's a deal for about $253 US. Binance pre-labeling kit, Binance plant tissue DNA extraction kit, and a sapphire. So if we go into the kind of press release in this government site here, you can see the contract, kind of contact number, size, it's kind of small. It says 1. So this unit is in yuan, and that's the yuan. And the other one is right here, pre-labeling kit, plant tissue DNA extraction kit. and the amount. So that's a good sale, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure how that's gonna work out with the replication, the duplication of Bingo's product. We'll see how it goes, but I think it would be better just to have a kind of like a branch in China alone. But we'll see how it works out. And yeah, it's kind of weird that there isn't any press release about this. Maybe it's coming out tomorrow. Who knows? But yeah. And I think that was it. I'm waiting for Bitfarms' release of their financials, because it's supposed to come out today, May 26th. It says 5:30 p.m. Yeah, 5:30 p.m. So usually they'll release the financials a little bit before, but I guess it's not going to happen. So I'll just have to do a video on that tomorrow. So check that out. I'm pretty sure the financials is going to be really good with Bingo. Bitfarms. It's going to be solid. So definitely going to shoot up the price of Bitfarms tomorrow, regardless of Bitcoin's price. There's a lot of Bing, and it's confusing. So yeah, we'll get into Bitcoin Treasuries. I know it's been a while since we checked this out. So let's look at here. So, okay, well, this list has gone longer. So definitely you see more companies here, like BTC. Never seen FarMO here. Funver, BlackRock. Interesting, for only 6.15 Bitcoin. Not holding, haven't seen that before. Mode Global, nope. Neptune, yeah, but Brook, haven't seen that before. What country is this? TH? TH, huh. TH? What country is TH? Alright. Guess, yeah, alright. Let's see. So we have some extra companies down here, ETFs, and you'll see a new a grouping here, government section. I haven't seen that before. Bulgaria and Ukraine. Interesting. I mean, damn. Look at Bulgaria here. $3.3 billion invested, which is not confirmed. But it seems like let's see the reporting. Is sitting on $3 billion in Bitcoin. Okay, that was way back. Alright. Law enforcement seizure. It's not organized crime, so it's not an investment per se. It's just it landed in their hand. Okay. I mean, I didn't see that before, but yeah. So, not sure if they still own it or not, but yeah. Today's value, $8.2 billion. I'm sure the country could use that money for infrastructure and all that stuff to improve the country. And Ukraine also has some Bitcoin. Let's see. Well, it could become a thing. Okay, whale watching. All right, this is a newer article. All right. Public officials. Okay. Interesting. And we have a lot of ETFs here. So before it was only like 3 or 4 maybe, like the Purpose Bitcoin ETF, the Canadian ETF, and then we also had the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust and CoinShare. I think that was it. Other than that, most of them are new here. Let's see. So we have a few Canadian ETF here. So yeah, so if you don't want to invest directly in Bitcoin coins per se, you can just get into the ETF. It kind of mimics the Bitcoin price movement. So yeah, that also works out, and you can do it in your TFSA. Don't have to pay tax on that. So yeah, I would really like to see more ETFs for other coins like altcoins, like maybe Cardano, Polygon. I think there are Ethereum ETFs, or maybe coming up soon, ready to get approved. When more of these things happen, we'll see more adoption and more people investing into crypto, and the cycle will continue where the companies get the altcoins, and then people kind of invest through the ETF, and then the cycle will continue, get more adoption, and the price will keep, hopefully in the long term, keep going up. So Osprey, okay, I've heard of this one before, but they don't own much though, only 1,000. Grayscale is ridiculous. Holy cow, $25 billion. Ridiculous. 654 billion. How are they still in the OTC market though? Like, that's crazy. They're only in the OTC market, I believe. Yeah, pink sheet. Yeah, so they also have the Ethereum Trust. Ooh, yeah. Yes, sir. Let's see. How long ago was this? May. Oh, no. June. Okay, June. Oh, okay, cool. Started out hot, it looks like. Look at this. Boom. Started out hot all the way up to 64. Yep. Fell down to $2. I do not want to be the guy that bought it at $64 and look at, holy cow, that's a lot. You have, like, if you huddled it and you're looking at like 3, 4, 2, watch it go all the way down to $2, and then you're like, damn, I gotta go up. What? How many X is that? Like, because just to go up, recover from loss, 50% loss, you have to go up twice. You have to make 100% gain. So 100% on 2 is like 4-ish, and then wow, 10, 20, 30 plus times. That's ridiculous. So yeah, better to just average down or just get out of that when that was going down. So some of these are just ridiculous. Yeah. Let's look at the crypto market. Staying kind of firm at around 1.7, 1.6. It's kind of hovering around there. But if you look here, the Bitcoin dominance has gone down a bit. Interesting. And ETH is going up. And we see the coins kind of recovering. Polygon is just killing it. If you look at Polygon, $2 plus. Look at this thing. Just shot up 34%. Crazy. Chainlink up 23%. Yeah. Definitely. Good buying opportunities right there. So FTX token, PancakeSwap is kind of still down, but still recovering. Let's see how much we've recovered since yesterday. I think we were at 660 something. So today we're around 740. So I think that's good. We're back to about 5, -5. Okay, -8. Still -8. All right. We'll take that. That's fine. So let's see. PancakeSwap is still -50. Okay. That's why we kind of diversify with these kind of riskier plays. So we don't eat heavy loss. So if I only invested in like PancakeSwap or like Dogecoin or like Polkadot, I could be looking at -42 average, -40. So I would have taken me like plus 80 plus just to recover, to break even. So that's why you want to kind of get into multiple coins and projects and diversify your portfolio like that. And yeah, I mean, for people who are thinking like maybe get into one coin which you believe heavily, like I really like Cardano, Solana, Polygon. So if I had invested in those 3 heavily, then maybe I could be up a lot more. But I still like these other coins as well, so that's why I'm getting in there. And it really helps to kind of keep the crypto portfolio side kind of level in terms of like eating heavy losses, because some of the coins are gonna save you from some coins that are really down. Like look at this, like PancakeSwap is down minus 50%. So, and Dogecoin is down minus 40, and let's see, Link is down minus 36, and Polkadot is down minus 34. So right now, it would be a really good buying opportunity, and yeah, I know it's not the best way of making crazy gains, because if you look at like rich people, you know, they only focus on one or two projects, and they just go heavy in there, and then that's how they come out, like, you know, rich, because they just loaded up the boat on one, betting on one, and just boom, going parabolic in terms of the gains. So, but in terms of crypto, what I'm gonna do is kind of stay on the safer investment side, diversify. It's still kind of riskier, but riskier than the stock market, but the movements are really radical, and the losses are kind of mitigated by the gains, the potential gains. So I'm totally fine with it. And of course, it's not going to match your investing style, so you have to figure out what you like to do with it. I think I have, like, how many coins do I have here? 3, 5, 3, 12. I have about 12 coins in here. So, yeah. I think, yeah, I was going to stay between 10 and 15 in terms of the crypto side. If there are more projects that I like, then I'll buy more into others. But other than that, this is home right here for me now. So I'm just going to keep buying the dip. And in terms of like buying the dip, I mean like looking at the crazy dip we saw, like minus 50%. So that kind of dip, 30 plus is usually a good sign of a good buying the dip opportunity. So yeah. And there are obviously a few tokens or projects that I want to get into. Of course, I want to buy more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. And then those are the ones, like, you know, top. Although Cardano's kind of looks like it's gonna overtake BNB if it doesn't recover quickly. So, but yeah, I do want to get into. I don't think I have Uniswap yet. I don't think I have. I used to get Stellar. I want to get into Theta, more WeChain, and more. Let's see, get into Aave, get into Maker. Let's see. So it's gonna be a bit over 15 projects for me. Looks like. Sushi Swap, yes, please. Voyager token, yes. It's not. I can't find it here, but it's down there. And the graph, yes. Harmony, yes. So definitely have them in my watch list here, so easier to look at it. FTX token, sure. Graph, Harmony, Phantom, Bakery token, KuCoin token, Voyager token, Venus. Those are just, I'm just looking at them. All right. Yeah. Other than that, oh right, Ascensus was crazy today. Oh yeah, I think I said about that. We talked about Ascensus. So yeah. Other than that, I mean, we had a really good, solid day. Crazy gains. If you look at the chart here, these are pretty much most of my portfolio stocks that I own. So saw really good gains today, and just DigiHost was the only one that was in the red. Other than that, we saw a lot of gains today, and really good. Maybe this is a sign of a recovery, a rally from the crazy dips that we've had in terms of the inflation scare, the FUD out there, with the spending and the capital gain tax, which doesn't look like it's going to happen anymore. There isn't much backing for Biden. Maybe he just came out way too strong, because like saying crazy numbers out there, hoping to stick somewhere close to it. But I don't think that plan's going to go through. Maybe about 25, 26, maybe around there, capital gain tax. So I think maybe just take a W there and just move on. And yeah, so hopefully the spending kind of dies down a bit, and the FUD of inflation kind of gets away. And it's not that it's just like it's not like it's not real. It is there, but people are just overreacting to it, and then there's a lot of sell-off, and then now there was a lot of sell-off in the tech space and the growth stocks and speculative stocks, and now you're seeing kind of a recovery in those sectors. People are buying into them again, and the tech stocks are kind of getting back to it. And in the long term, we'll be fine. I think we'll be fine. It's just we'll have to see how it goes along in the next month or so with the speculative stocks, growth stocks, that kind of thing, how people react to it. And it's usually just market sentiment, like people emotion, like how they react to it. So overall, I think we're getting back to it. My portfolio is kind of like looking nice every day when I see more green here. So yeah, and yeah, I think that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.